We're here in Bahia, Honda, in the Keys. This is my friend Alex. We've actually known each other since the 4th grade, but this is our first time ever getting outside together. Which is kind of weird because we both camped all over the world, but it took our hometown to bring us back together. I've traveled all over the country and I don't think I've ever had such a prime location. It is just so blue and turquoise. I'm a happy camper. I spend so much of my time connected. I spend so much of my time diving into screens and checking emails and checking notifications. And to come out here and to camp is just such a great way to disconnect.